Getting answers, uncovering the truth. Boston 25 News investigates.
Who knew what, when? That's what 25 Investigates is probing about a 2023 car crash caused by a state police homicide detective. Last night, we brought you Ted Daniels' interview with the mother of the man killed in the crash. She suspects a cover-up. As Ted explains, the finger-pointing has begun.
Trooper Scott Quigley works out of the Middlesex County District Attorney's Office. Middlesex District Attorney Marion Ryan recently wrote a letter stating state police failed to notify her office of the crash and the allegations that Quigley had been drinking. A defense attorney in a murder case Quigley investigated tells me that doesn't make sense.
The prosecutors in the homicide unit work with Quigley on an almost daily basis, so they absolutely knew.
Attorney William Dolan is supposed to be on trial defending an accused murderer in Lowell. But a judge halted the trial after Middlesex County prosecutors revealed explosive accusations about the lead investigator on the case, State Police Detective Scott Quigley.
It's hard to imagine a higher level of hypocrisy than a homicide detective covering up his own homicide.
Detective Quigley hit a wheelchair van head-on in Woburn while driving an unmarked cruiser in December 2023. Angelo Scatino, a passenger in the van, died a month later. Quigley's lawyer calls it a tragic accident, but newly disclosed hospital records suggest Quigley was legally drunk.
You or I would be in jail if it was me or you.
In a February 4th letter to State Police Colonel Jeffrey Noble, Middlesex DA Marion Ryan writes, the state police did not notify this office, despite the fact that Sergeant Quigley is a witness in multiple homicide cases. Had this information been provided, we would have immediately referred this matter.
These are the exact people that are meant to investigate deaths in Middlesex County, and there's a paper trail.
Dolan says Quigley went out injured as a result of the crash, and his own unit at the Middlesex DA's office received notice of Scatino's death in February 2024 from the Disabled Persons Protection Commission, or DPPC.
The reason why the district attorney wrote that is because perhaps the people below her are not giving her all the information, because it was clear as day that the prosecutors in the case knew.
A spokesperson for DA Ryan tells 25 Investigates the state police first notified her office of the deadly crash in late January. As for the 2024 referral from the Disabled Persons Protection Commission, the spokesperson says Ryan's office had no reason to begin a criminal investigation until we learned on January 27, 2026, that Mr. Scatino's injuries were the result of potentially criminal conduct in the crash. Dolan is calling for an independent investigation. I also reached out to the state police with questions about DA Ryan's letter to the colonel. The department declined to respond, citing the ongoing review ordered by the colonel. Quigley has been suspended without pay and is facing a criminal investigation. His lawyer tells me the evidence will ultimately support his account of what occurred. For 25 Investigates, I'm Ted Daniel.